Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wrike request forms for consistent intake, full guide step by step clearly. To install Wrike request forms for consistent intake, start by logging into your Wrike account. Navigate to the Home tab and locate the project where you want to set up the request form. Click on the project to open it. Look for the Forms option in the project sidebar. Select Add Form to begin creating your request form. You'll see a blank form template appear on your screen. Begin by giving your form a title that clearly indicates its purpose. Next, add a description to provide context for users filling out the form. Utilize the drag and drop feature to add fields to your form. Choose from various field types, including text, drop-downs, checkboxes, and file uploads. For each field, customize the label to make it user-friendly. Decide which fields are mandatory for your request form. Use conditional logic to show or hide fields based on previous responses, if necessary. Once you've added all needed fields, rearrange them for better flow. Next, review your form to ensure all available options meet your needs. Click on the Settings tab to modify additional form settings. Here, set up email notifications for when submissions are received. Specify who should be notified and how they should be notified. You can also set a confirmation message that users will see after submission. Once everything is set up, preview the form to see how it will look to end users. Make any final adjustments based on the preview. When satisfied, click on the Publish button to make the form live. After publishing, share the form link with your team or embed it on your website for easy access. Monitor submissions by checking the Submissions section in the Forms tab regularly. This will help ensure your intake process remains consistent and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.